Welcome to this new video. I'm Sara from the travel blog Torzeando. Today I'm taking you with me on a canoe trip in Friuli Venezia Giulia on the Tagliamento river, which is the most important and biggest river in the region. Tagliamento is 170 kilometers long and is famous for its braided canals. It is the only example of a preserved alpine river in Europe. From our house, it takes a little over an hour's drive to get to the meeting point. Canoe is an eco-sustainable vehicle that you can use freely on rivers, lakes, and even in the sea. It is fun, but at the same time relaxing. Claudio is the guide and he first explains to us how to hold and move the paddle. On land, everything seems easy.
Are you ready?
Fortunately, once on board, I only have to follow his orders, because he acts as helmsman and I as paddler. This is the point of view of my boyfriend Igor, that you will never see, because he is the cameraman. There are times when the water is more impetuous and we must try not to capsize, keeping the balance with the knees. We also faced some small rapids and bottlenecks. Where water is calm, let the current carry you and admire the surrounding landscape. Canoeing offers a different point of view than usual, as the horizon is lower and mountains seem giants. The journey on the Tagliamento river is coming to an end. Remember to dress in shorts and t-shirt and wear a swimsuit underneath. On your feet, sneakers or rock shoes, and in the car bring a full change of clothes and a towel. The equipment, paddle, helmet and life jacket will be provided by Claudio. So are you ready to live this experience by canoe in Friuli Venezia Giulia in total harmony with nature? I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Torzeando channel.